If you could press just one button and instantly get fresh articles, unique images, and rewritten content for your website, all without paying for API keys, ChatGPT credits, or freelancers, would you try it? Because that's exactly what Fresh AI 2.0 does, a brand new WordPress plugin that turns your site into your own personal AI content factory in seconds. Fresh AI 2.0 is honestly one of the smartest WP plugins released this year. It's simple, fast, and removes the need to pay for external tools. If you run a blog, niche site, affiliate site, or client sites, this one is a no-brainer. Fresh AI 2.0 is a 3-in-1 AI content generator built directly inside your own WordPress dashboard. You get 3 powerful tools: AI text to article writer. Generate full articles from any keyword. AI text to image creator. Create unlimited images with Google's Nano Banana model. AI one-click rewriter. Rewrite old content into fresh new articles. No API key, no ChatGPT account, no extra tools. It runs inside your WP site instantly. This tool is perfect for new affiliate marketers, website owners, bloggers, niche site creators, agency owners, and anyone tired of paying for writers, stock photos, or AI credits. And the biggest objection it solves? You don't need to know writing, image editing, or SEO anymore. Fresh AI does it all. Here's a quick walkthrough so you can see how easy it is. On the left menu of your WordPress dashboard, you'll see Fresh AI. When you click AI Content Writer, you'll find a simple box where you type any keyword. For example, Best Smartphones 2025, then hit Generate. Within seconds, the plugin creates a full, original article that you can instantly insert into a WordPress post using the one-click import button. Next, the AI Image Creator section. Just enter any topic, maybe minimalist web banner or travel blog hero image. Click Generate and Fresh AI produces unique graphics using the Nano Banana engine. And again, one-click import straight into your media library. Then you have the AI Rewriter. Paste any paragraph, article, or blog post. Hit Rewrite, and Fresh AI generates a clean, fresh, SEO-friendly version in seconds. Everything is point and click. Everything runs inside your website. No external account needed. Fresh AI has a tight, simple funnel with upgrades that genuinely add value. Front end, Fresh AI 2.0 personal or developer license at lowest launch pricing. OTO2 Fresh AI traffic, a copy-paste system that helps you pull more visitors to your site by adding a single line of text. Great for bloggers and niche site owners. OTO3-Fresh AI Video automatically embeds video content inside every article you publish. This boosts engagement, rankings, and helps your pages stick longer on Google. All upgrades are optional, but together, they turn your website into a complete content traffic engagement machine. When you grab Fresh AI through the link below, you unlock my exclusive bonus bundle designed to 10x your content, SEO, and traffic. Here's what you're getting. WP Slideshow Master. Add engaging slideshows to boost time on page. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed boost your site for better SEO and lower bounce rate. Lead Book Generator. Auto-add Facebook leads into your autoresponder. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to emails and landing pages. Conversion Equalizer. Improve Google Ads conversions with smart optimization. Action Poll. Segment visitors using polls for higher conversions. Website Pouch Pro. Hide or show content in banners with one click. Article Analyzer. Optimize keyword density for higher rankings. Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build clean, high-converting opt-in bars. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic and push new visitors to your site. And that's just the start. That's only a small preview of the full bonus bundle you'll get inside the bonus delivery page. Remember, these bonuses are exclusive. You won't get them from anyone else. Fresh AI 2.0 is a must-have if you publish content, build websites, Or want to grow organic traffic without paying for writers or external AI tools? You get a full AI writing system, a full AI image generator, and a full AI rewriting tool all inside your own WordPress site. But here's the catch. The bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours, or until all bonus spots are claimed. Click the link below right now to lock in the lowest price and grab your bonus bundle instantly. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more daily reviews, and check the link below to claim fresh AI along with your exclusive bonuses. Once you buy, your bonuses will be waiting for you inside the bonus delivery page instantly. See you on the next video.